Are you a member of the media and entertainment industry looking for a privacy solution that can keep up with your fast-paced workload? Breaking news can occur at any time, making the efficiency of handling private information a time-sensitive matter. With top-of-the-line AI video redaction, you can quickly and efficiently redact any type of footage, even live recordings, obscuring faces, license plates, screens, and nudity with CaseGuard Studio. Make quick work redacting B-roll and interview footage of any length in faster than real time. If you need to cut or drop segments of a recording to be sent to the cutting room floor, CaseGuard Studio has built-in video editing tools ready for you to use. Automatically transcribe audio files of any size in over 100 different languages and dialects, including English, Spanish, Russian, and Arabic. And censor 33 categories of sensitive information including names, addresses, organization names, and profanity from interviews, auditions, and outtakes automatically, limiting the time spent between when the camera stopped rolling and its appearance on television. Burn closed captioning in over 70 languages for accessibility, including multiple languages at the same time for diverse audiences. Process an unlimited number of hours of video and audio recordings at once with bulk processing. A reliable tool that will have your files ready for the next press cycle without fail. And sanitize sensitive documents such as employee tax forms, invoices, and email chains with unparalleled efficiency with AI text analysis. It is a one-stop shop for your privacy needs. Learn more by scheduling a 30-minute demo with one of our privacy experts at CaseGuard.com today. CaseGuard Studio, AI redaction and privacy for all.